One of the biggest fears of fearful flyers is that the airplane can just drop like a stone in case of engine failure. Of course, that's not the case. As you already know, the aircraft can glide because the air holds the aircraft very, very stable. Actually, what I'm going to show you now is how the aircraft glides without any power. Okay, what I'm doing now is just reducing the throttle until idle. It means there is no more power. And now you can see there is no power and the aircraft just started to descend, but it's not falling down. This is because the pitch attitude is what gives the airspeed, and if we have the airspeed we can fly. So the important thing is that aircraft can glide and it simply cannot fall down like a stone. So your biggest fear is just your fear.
$2,500.
Check.
Делать нет, видите? На полосе.
400. 300 approaching minimums. 200. 100.
Вот видите? Вот где-то уже там
50,
надо
40,
сесть.
30, 20, 10.
Voila. Thank you for flying.